Topic is the physical education in British period. After 1895 AD, the entire system of physical education rapidly destroyed to the unexpected levels. The events of daily life started moving just an opposite direction to the previous period in the strong grip of British rule. During this period, the Western civilization influenced the Indian culture with the respect that the youngsters developed an aversion towards the indigenous activities and kept themselves from and always away from Vyashalas. The main reason for this change were the activities introduced by the foreigners were more attractive. Second point is games had more recreational values than indigenous activities. The third point is the Western activities were of group types where more people could participate with lesser skills as compared as indigenous ones. The fourth point is the indigenous physical activities were not an essential part of day school curriculums. India has been ruled by many foreigner rulers like Muslim, the Portuguese, the French and the British. They had program of their own interest which ultimately adversely affected the indigenous physical activities. For instance, the Muslim rulers were interested in imparting training in different disciplines such as gymnastics, pole drill, dagger fighting, fire fighting, archery, fight with wild animals, hunting, horse riding, swimming and etc. But the training was given to that army personnel only. Among the foreign rulers, it was the British who were successfully in establishing their rule in India with great supremacy and ruled for about 200 years. Under the British rule, the indigenous physical activities and the military training lost their importance when they passed Ames Acts. Under this act, the Indians were prohibited from keeping weapons of war and the activities practiced by the Indians on the ancient line, such as sword fighting, dagger fight, spear fight, etc. were banned. It resulted in the degeneration of physical state of Indian people. During the British rule, day organization and conduct the athletic activities and the cricket were the result of private efforts. Further, the German system of gymnastics was adopted and introduced in educational institutions, but it could not attract masses due to some eye-borne problems. Drills were also introduced in the school in order to create great interest and promote larger participation of students of these activities. But it was not very successful. At the same time, we should not forget the fact that hug, love or outdoor sports, games of the British people and law association with the Indian resulted in the introduction and popularization of the team games in India. For example, cricket, hockey and football. Most of the modern games and sports came in India via England. British government policy put an emphasis on the practice of physical training in school only for name's sake. The real credit for this propagated physical education goes to vocabulary and voluntary organizations. These Vyayamalas physical education go to the voluntary organizations. These Vyayamalas contributed a great deal for the development of interest in the physical education like dance and yogic exercises, folk dances, wrestling, lathi exercises and indigenous games like Kho and Kabaddi. Those who were good in these exercises and indigenous games and sports activities practiced these sports in their free time and were given more encouragement from the school authorities. During school hours, some military drill, physical exercises were given to the students by army personnel. The public schools were followed. The allied British systems of education had some arrangements of compulsory physical education. In these schools, greater attention was paid to the Western type of games and sports and not to indigenous activities. Track and field, swimming and horse riding, horse polo, cycle, etc. were popular in these schools. The organized scientific physical education came to India in 1920 when Mr. H. C. Buck founded YMCA College of Physical Education at Madras. This institution gave a flawless foothold to physical education in India. Later on, nasty more institutions came into being. The teacher passing from the institutions replaced ex-army personnel and gradually lent a new meaning of physical education program in schools and community. The contribution made by the American for the development of physical and sports education, India cannot be overlooked. The game of basketball and volleyball are the American origin and physical and sports, these were introduced in India by YMCA. In order to make the indigenous activities more attractive, the HVP Mandal Amravati was formed. The HVP Mandal offered number of courses like certificate course, diploma degree course in physical education. It was also the first institution to start demonstration propagations tours to propagate the cause of indigenous physical education all over India and abroad. The rule indigenous games like Kabaddi, Kho were standardized by Akhil Maharashtra Shari Shikasa Mandal and they were also found throughout the India. Thank you.